Hi, everyone. Welcome to the AudiFab channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Spotify music to CapCut. AudiFab Spotify Music Converter can download Spotify music in open formats like MP3, making it easy to import into CapCut. Let's go step by step. Here, we take Windows as an example. Launch the AudiFab program on your computer. Spotify app will pop up. Browse Spotify to find your favorite songs or playlists. Click the Click to Add button. Then program will list songs in the Add window. Please select all songs you need and click Add. Click the settings icon and select MP3 or another CapCut supported format. You can also adjust other settings as needed. Once you're ready, hit the Convert button. AudiFab will handle the rest. When the conversion is complete, the output folder will open automatically, allowing you to check your converted Spotify songs. Now all the Spotify songs are fully prepared on your computer. Open your CapCut project. Head over to the Media tab and select Import. Choose the Spotify MP3 files you just converted and click Open. The imported files will now appear in your media library. Drag and drop the audio onto your timeline to align it with your video. Now let's see how to import Spotify music to CapCut for Android and iPhone. Visit the CapCut online video editor. Log in your account. Start a new project or open an existing one. Drag and drop your converted Spotify music directly into the media section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.